Want to speak better English, remember words faster, and finally sound natural when you talk? Here's the secret. Read more. Seriously, reading is one of the most powerful yet underrated ways to improve your English and build real, natural fluency. Why is that? Reading gives you full, natural sentences. You don't just learn the meaning of a word. You see how it's used and how it works. You learn expressions, grammar, even rhythm, without memorizing a single rule. When you read a word 5 times in different sentences, your brain remembers it way faster than drilling flashcards. But the problem is, reading in another language isn't always easy. You search, you find a cool article or a book, and suddenly you're stopping every few seconds to look up a word. After 10 minutes, you get through only half a page and you're exhausted. That's when most people give up. Not because reading doesn't work, but because it's super annoying. Reading real books or just reading in general is one of the most rewarding things you can do in English or any other language. But even if you've studied English for years, picking up a novel can feel tough. There's just so much text, and when you don't understand something, it sucks to constantly have to look up words and phrases and, keep going back and forth. That's something I hear from all of my students. They want to read more, but they're just not sure where to begin or how to continue doing it or how to keep it going when it gets tough. And what's helped many of my students is not avoiding novels altogether, but reading them in a way that's smoother and easier and more fun, to be honest. My students basically import everything that they're interested in, articles, books, even YouTube transcripts, and read them right on screen. Even some novels they want to read, if they're available online, they can bring those in as well. When they come across a word they don't know, they just tap on it, they see the meaning, hear how it sounds,
numerous,
and can save it to review later. And it's all in one place, so they stay focused instead of jumping between apps or dictionaries. It just makes it much smoother, easier, and definitely more fun. They build vocabulary, get used to how English flows, and start to understand more just by reading things they truly enjoy. I cannot stress that enough. And eventually, as the number of the words my students know grows, they go from reading with help to reading real books on their own. So how do you make reading a habit that actually helps you improve? Well, first of all, you want to start with short content. Start small. Baby steps, right? Blog posts, tweets, song lyrics, even Reddit threads. Whatever it is that you're interested in, but in a shorter format, just start there. It's okay. And please, number 2, very important, don't try to understand every single word. Just get the meaning. The more you read, you'll acquire more words naturally in context. And of course, read a little, but every day. You don't have to read 1,000 books a week. Just read little by little, but daily. It's so important because consistency always beats intensity. By the way, the tool I showed you earlier, it's called Link. And it was founded by Steve Kaufman. He speaks over 20 languages and built this to support exactly this kind of immersive learning. If you're a beginner, it helps you get used to the language. And if you're advanced, it helps you fine-tune the way you speak. Either way, it works. So reading isn't just something you should do. It's something that can actually make your learning process fun again. And it's so important. And if you want to make it easier, I definitely recommend checking out Link. I'll drop the link down below, and you can use my link in the description box below to sign up and get a total of 40% off a 12-month premium plan. Sounds pretty good to me. Don't just memorize words. See them, use them, read them. That's how you get fluent. So don't just avoid it. All right? It's time for us to level up and never look back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a quick thumbs up if you liked it. And turn on the notification bell because, I don't even know when I'm going to post next. So you definitely should stay notified. All right. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again. And in the meantime, read a little every day. Use Link. It'll help you a lot. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.